See that? We're experiencing lightning. And you hear the rumble of thunder in the distance. And it's not often that we have thunderstorms here on Salt Spring Island. It's the 17th of January right now, about 7:30 in the evening, about 9 degrees Celsius, so it's about 49 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just have the camera shooting out into the darkness there and hoping for another flash. It's not directly over top of us. I'm shooting my camera towards the south west. I guess it'd be the southwest or the west. And that's been about the 4th flash already. I've got the one on film that you saw. And you could probably, hopefully my camera microphone's good enough to pick up that rumble. So let's see if we can get another one in there. This is, I love weather, and this is exciting weather for me because, like I say, it's pretty rare that we ever get lightning here on Salt Spring Island, or thunder. I don't even remember the last time we had thunder or lightning. Come on, flash. Let's get another one going. I wish it was right overhead. It'd be really cool. That's 1 minute and 49 seconds. I don't know what the intervals are between each one. Just one more flash and I'll be happy. I hear it rumbling. I do hear rumbling. Bit of a breeze here too. Very, very light breeze, but warm. It's quite a ways away, the thunder rumbling. You have to be patient when you're watching this video. Just waiting for the second flash. I just pray it happens. I wish I would have been out here earlier with my camera to get the few flashes that we missed. Sitting in the living room watching TV, and you can see them through the window. Ah, there it is. Ha ha! Right on. That's exciting weather for me, because our weather's pretty boring here on Salt Spring Island in the Southern Gulf Islands. There's nothing really too much that happens here, besides rain or sun. Alright, thanks for watching. Looks like I survived the storm. It's a beautiful evening on Salt Spring Island.